How to install Pikashow without downloader. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, go to your device settings from the home screen. Navigate to security and restrictions and turn on unknown sources to allow installation of third-party apps. Go back to home screen and open your device built-in browser app. In the browser search bar, type Pikashow APK download and press enter. From the search results, open a trusted and safe website that offers the latest Pikashow APK file. On the website, find and tap the Download APK button and wait for the file to download completely. Once downloaded, go to your device file manager and open the Downloads folder. Find the Pikashow APK file in the Download folder and tap on it to begin the installation. A prompt will appear on screen. Tap Install to start the installation process. If any security warning appears, tap Install anyway to continue the installation. Let the installation process finish completely without closing or interrupting it. Once done, tap Open and enjoy watching free movies and shows on Pikashow app. Thank you for watching.